Hello friends, welcome to another Refrigeration HVAC Mechanic Red Seal Practice Questions. Multiple choice set number 25, another 10 questions here, starting with number 1. Psychrometer is an instrument that takes both wet bulb and dry bulb temperature readings and use them to measure A. Relative humidity, B. Specific heat, C. Enthalpy, D. Calorific value. Correct answer is A. Relative humidity. Number 2. Thermo-electric refrigeration is based on the principle of A. Electrolysis, B. Pressure differential, C. Thermocouple, or D. Convection. Correct answer is C. Thermocouple. Number 3. In a three-phase system, each phase is displaced by A. 90 degrees, B. 120 degrees, C. 45 degrees, or D. 180 degrees. Correct answer is B. 120 degrees. Number 4. Brake horsepower of fan motor varies directly as the blank of RPM ratio. A. Square, B. Fourth power, C. Cube, or D. Logarithm. Correct answer is C. Cube. Number 5. Height of the column of warm air that causes chimney action in a ventilator. A. Stack height, B. Ventilation height, C. Draft, or D. Elevation. Correct answer is A. Stack height. Number 6. Height of chimney should be at least how much above the roof? A. 1 feet, B. 2 feet, C. 1.5 feet, or D. 0.5 feet. Correct answer is B. 2 feet. Number 7. Design ambient temperature when sizing radiator heat output estimate is A. 55 Fahrenheit, B. 95 Fahrenheit, C. 125 Fahrenheit, or D. 70 Fahrenheit. Correct answer is D. 70 Fahrenheit. Number 8. Radiator adequate air spacing must cover at least blank percent of total radiator surface area. A. 20%, B. 40%, C. 25%, or D. 30%. Correct answer is B. 40%. Number 9. Size of conductors is determined by blank carrying capacity. A. Current, B. Voltage, C. Moisture, or D. Heat. Correct answer is A. Current. Last but not the least, number 10. When determining the size of conductors, voltage is taken into consideration. Is this statement A. True, B. Optional, or C. False, or D. None of the above? Correct answer is C. False. voltage is not taken into consideration. Okay, hope you learned something from this review. Happy reviewing and all the best in your Red Seal exam. Cheers and take care.